Hello, and welcome to probably one of the shortest videos that I've made. I'm expecting it to be, for Target 2D drawing conclusions. Now, a lot of this is going to be done in class, where we can actually draw conclusions from data and talk about it, but these are some nice examples to look at, so let's get started. Number 1, the table shows the types of winter sports that students prefer in high school, at a high school, and some high school. So these 11th graders and 12th graders were surveyed about skiing, tubing, sledding, and skating. Now it looks like 163 students were surveyed in total. And let's answer some questions. Number 1A. What is the most preferred sport among students surveyed? So I'm going to look at the totals for the sports. And I want the largest total. It looks like sledding totally wins. So, sledding. I love sledding. I just hate having to climb up the hill to go back down, Letter B. What is the least preferred sport? So, least preferred sport among the students surveyed. So, let's look at the smallest for the sports. And that looks like skating. I would say, that one requires a lot of skill. You do need skill to ski, but skating has to do with some sharp blades on the bottom, and it's kind of scary and harder to balance than skiing, in my experience at least. I am going to continue on with math instead of rambling. Okay, so this is some classic drawing conclusions. We've done this in previous sections. Now let's look at a bar graph, at a side-by-side bar graph this time, and let's decide on the answer to whatever question we have. All right. A school administrator is trying to determine how to allocate the food budget for upcoming school year, meaning how are they going to spend that money. To help figure out what students prefer, 9th and 10th graders were surveyed as to which type of food they prefer. Based on this graph, which type of food should the school choose for each grade level? Okay, so let's look at the tallest bar for each graph. It looks like for 9th grade, it's this green one, this light green one, that's salad bar. So 9th, salad bar, because, what did I just do? What did I do? Oh, there we go. Salad bar, because it's the tallest bar. All right. For 10th grade, what's the tallest bar here? Looks like it's chicken nuggets. Let's make this smaller. I wrote so large. What did I just do? I'm having issues today. I'm not usually this bad at tech. All right. Thank you. I am... Okay, it doesn't want to... That's fine. It's fine if we don't get along. That's okay. I'm just going to write the 10th grade smaller. That's all. Sorry. Sorry, one note. All right. 10th. 10th is chicken nuggets. Because it's the tallest bar. Awesome. Now, unlike some other problems we've done, we get to pick a specific lunch for specific grades. So that's kind of nice, because then they don't have to, figure out what everyone likes the most, and some people will get stuck eating things they don't want. Like 9th graders eating chicken nuggets. Like, one person voted for that. They're wrong that there's only one person voting for it. I love chicken nuggets. All right. Well, let's end this really short video with a stacked bar graph interpretation. James is trying to decide where to have his graduation party. He wants to have it at a place his friends would enjoy most, so he decides to ask his friends where they would like to have it. He organizes data according to the grade of his friends. The marginal relative frequency distribution shows the results of his survey. Let's examine the graph, because we don't have the marginal relative frequency distribution, because we learned how to read graphs, so we can just do it off of this. Let's examine the graph and decide where James should have his graduation party. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find where the tallest bar is for both. It looks like, to me, just by glancing, this one is the tallest for 11th grade. That's sledding. And 12th, ooh, this looks almost, is this one taller? Yeah, this one's taller. It looks like sledding is the tallest for 12th grade too. It was really close, right? These 3 boxes, this one's just, let me redraw that, a little bit over 3 boxes, I would say. Okay, so let's go with sledding. Sledding was the largest bar in each stack. Alright, so as I said, this is an incredibly short video because we need to draw conclusions off of problems in person. So what I would have you do right now, if you're in class, is I would send you to work on your practice packet, and then we would do some more example problems the day afterwards. Okay. I hope this was easy because this is what we were working towards this whole unit. Being able to identify graphs, to read graphs. That is so important for a lot of you who are not going to be going into math careers, but are going to be going into careers when you have to analyze things. And we'll oftentimes have a calculator or an AI do this for you, the numbers. But the analyzing, that needs a human brain. Okay. I hope you found this helpful. Have a wonderful rest of whatever day it is for you. Bye!